Hatching used to create tonal or shading effects by drawing or painting closely spaced parallel lines. Hatching refers to a shading technique that implies shades, tones, or textures. The technique is done with a series of thin parallel lines that gives the appearance of shadows in varying degrees. Hatching techniques used by craftsmen, engraving, etc. Cross hatching is like taking parallel hatching to the next level. You create a first layer of parallel line in any direction and a second layer of lines in drawn on top in a perpendicular or nearly perpendicular manner. They are close together and cross each other. This is sometimes done in order to shown areas light and dark on a picture. Cross hatching used to create a tonal effects by varying the specific of line or adding additional layer of line. Cross hatching is used in pencil drawing, but it's particularly useful with pen and ink drawing. Create the impression of areas of tone. Splitting is the creation of a pattern simulating varying degrees of solidities or settings by using small dots. Such a patterns may occur in nature and these effects are frequently emulated by artists. Four types of stippling techniques used: dotting, dashing, tracing, and hatching. They can be employed independently to create more contrast and effect. Splitting is the use of numerous individual dots to create the impression of an object or its textures. Scribbling is an excellent technique to use when drawing a specific subject like trees or hair because it not only creates values but also transmits a sense of textures. In the drawing below, I used scribbling to create the leaves of trees and the effect of grass. Scribbling or scribble drawing settings work particularly well for portrait and still life. Contour setting is similar to hatching and cross-hatching. The difference is that the lines are curved to follow the contours of the subject. So these lines can be drawn horizontally, vertically, and even diagonally. Contour setting is a great way to practice giving form to your 3D line drawing. The circularism is that when setting you draw no lines at all, rather the technique used varied on ending overlapped and intertwined circles. If used in the correct way, the distant viewer's eyes fuse these layers and circles into realistic sets of human flaws. Circularism is a technique that many artists use in attaining a realistic skin textures in drawing. People's faces are not perfect and should not be reddened, so circularism is basically drawing very teeny overlapped and intertwining circles.